Dr. Madhusudan Agrawal, Associate Professor, Government Commerce College, Kota. Today we discuss different forms of salary, how it is taxed, tax treatment of different received are as follows. First, basic salary. Basic salary is always taxable. DNS allowance or DNS pay taxable. Advance salary. Advance salary is taxable in the year of receipt. Arrears of salary. Arrears of salary taxable in the year of receipt or if no tax on due basis earlier. Leave encashment while in service is taxable. Leave encashment at the time of retirement or at the time of leaving job. Exempt in the hands of a government employee. In case of a non-government employee, it is exempt in some cases. Salary in lieu of notice or notice period salary is taxable. Fees and commission taxable. Bonus taxable on receipt basis if not taxed earlier on due basis. Gratuity exempt in the hands of government employee. In the case of a non-government employee, it is exempt in some cases. Pension under NPS. NPS मतलब National Pension System. At the time of receipt of pension, it is chargeable to tax. Lump sum payment of pension, that is commuted pension, exempt in the hands of a government employee. In the case of non-government employee, it is exempt in some cases. Monthly pension, that is uncommuted pension, is always taxable. Annuity from employer, taxable as salary. Annual accretion to the credit balance in recognized provident fund. In this case, we will see excess of employer's contribution over 12% of salary is taxable, or excess of interest over notified interest is taxable. Notified rate of interest is 9.5% presently. Excess interest, excess contribution always taxable. Retrenchment compensation exempt from the tax to the extent of least of the following. First, amount calculated under section 25F subsection B of the Industrial Dispute Act, or an amount specified by the government, that is 50,000. If compensation is paid under any scheme approved by the central government, these limits are not applicable and the entire amount is exempt. Next point, compensation received under VRS मतलब voluntary retirement scheme, exempt in some cases. Profit in lieu of salary is always taxable. Remuneration for extra duties from employer to employee, always fully taxable. Salary from UNO, United Nations of Organization, not chargeable to tax. Thank you.